A is for angel, flying so high. B is for bed, where dreams say hi. C is for cloud, soft and white. D is for dragon, who sleeps at night. E is for evening, star shining bright. F is for firefly, glowing with light. G is for garden, with flowers that close. H is for hedgehog, curling his nose. I is for island, calm and still. J is for jungle, behind the hill. K is for koala, tucked in a tree. L is for lullaby, sung just for me. M is for moon, a glowing friend. N is for night, where dreams never end. O is for owl, who blinks so wise. P is for pillow, where my teddy lies. Q is for quilt, warm and neat. R is for rainbow, in dreams so sweet. S is for star, that twinkles slow. T is for treetop, where breezes blow. U is for unicorn, soft and shy. V is for voyage, through the sky. W is for wishes, made with care. X is for XOXO, love everywhere.